Alright guys, it's that time of the year when Xiaomi releases a major new version of their UI and all the devices scramble. Everybody starts wondering what is going to happen. Will my device get MIUI 13 or not? Will we get MIUI 13 with a different Android version, or the current one which I have? Will we be getting support in the future or not? So this video is your one-stop video before the version of MIUI 13 actually goes live today. Remember, it is 7:30 p.m. Chinese time when it will be announced, along with the beautiful Mi 12 and Mi 12 Pro. So that means in India at around 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time, you will have these announcements happening. Now, the credit to this particular information goes to a blog called Xiaomi UI. The link is mentioned in the description. You can go ahead and check them out. I've got a lot of information from there, and I've done a lot of research to bring you all the complete info, what you should expect for your device as far as MIUI 13 is concerned. So before we get into the details, if you haven't already, please subscribe and hit that notification bell icon, because it doesn't cost you anything and it really motivates us to make amazing content like this. If you think you like chatting with like-minded people, join us on Telegram. We have more than 1,500 people over there. You can follow us on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. And last but not the least, if you think the hard work is worth the effort, well, please click on the join button and support the channel. Now without further ado, hello awesome people. Welcome to PhoneOps. My name is Kailash. Let's get going. So the first thing that you see over here, it's not on my phone, it's not on my 11X. This is actually a screenshot from Mi 12, which is already running MIUI 13 with Android 12. Remember, that device is going to be launched today. So it will probably have the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chip, which is really powerful, and there are a lot of improvements to the camera and other things. So this is not a Mi 12 video. We are talking about MIUI 13 because we have three wonderful devices which should be getting MIUI 13. We will also talk about the leaked roadmap of when your device will probably get it towards the end of the video. But first, I will tell you what features are expected one by one. Now, the first thing to note over here is, what does MIUI 13 stand for? Remember, when MIUI 12 came out, it had a lot of focus on UI customization, new look, new feel, that actually slowed down devices. Then they came up with 12.5, which made things a little better, and then they came up with 12.5. Now, MIUI 13 as a whole is going to be a combination of this whole 12 to 12.5 enhanced edition experience, because MIUI 13, what Xiaomi is claiming, is not going to be focused on UI overhaul, not going to be focused on huge look improvements or different design and stuff. They will be focusing on stability, fluidity and smoothness is what they're talking about. So, MIUI 13, when it comes out, you do have a new logo over here. It will have some changes, like you will still have new wallpapers, new icon packs, new themes and stuff like that. But the major focus of MIUI 13 will be on performance. Now, as it is noted with the leaked screenshot, you can see that they claim that for third-party applications, they have 15 to 52% improvement for third-party apps in terms of launch speeds and performance of third-party applications. Now, trust me, that is a bold claim. And for system applications, their performance is going to be 20 to 26% better. Right? So that is something really neat that Xiaomi is claiming. And even if they achieve half of what they are saying, the experience is going to be better. The reason I say that is, on the Mi 11X, MIUI 12.5 enhanced is flying. It is giving a very good experience. So I have decent expectations from MIUI 13. Another highlight of MIUI 13 will be privacy and security, because they are going to introduce a feature called Privacy Security Goalkeeper, which will ensure that, telecallers or fraudsters cannot get access to your device. It will give you better protection. Recently, the security application which was updated for Xiaomi Beta or MIUI Beta had a special option of front camera access and things like those. So it's good to see that they are, focusing on privacy and other things as well. What you do see over here is a leaked picture of Mi 12. That device looks great as always. Mi 11 was also pretty good. It will be interesting to see if we will get the Mi 12 Ultra or not. Remember, with MIUI 12.5 Enhanced Edition, Xiaomi came up with these, terms: liquid storage, focused algorithms, and atomized memory. So basically, focused algorithms, what that does is it allocates resources like the processing power and things like those in a better way to give you a fluid experience even on low-end devices. That is what focused algorithms does. As far as atomized memory is concerned, well, it gives you good memory management, real-time, decent memory allocation of RAM and stuff. So that will keep your phone snappy as time passes by. And it does have liquid storage. So storage optimization, trim and stuff like that have been a thing for Android for a long time. And this will make sure that your device stays snappy as time passes by. Now, what Xiaomi have stated is they're going to build up on these principles and they're going to make the experience even better. Now, another neat addition will be a separate MIUI 13 version for tablets, that is MIUI pad and stuff like that. So, that will have better multitasking. Now, apart from this, Xiaomi have also claimed that they will have support for up to 3,000 third-party applications for full screen mode, which is a good thing, and it is going to improve your experience even better. Not only that, they have clearly stated that the current models which are going to have or which still have some bugs in MIUI 12 and 12.5, MIUI 13 is majorly going to fix those bugs. So that is a good thing that Xiaomi is focusing on, giving a better experience rather than giving you flashy new colors and new icons and stuff like that. That is always, a good thing. Now, MIUI 13 will also come with an updated version for pads, which will have better multitasking and stuff like that. And remember, I did tell you about the roadmap, which has been leaked recently. So the website Xiaomi UI actually has a complete roadmap leaked, in which they have stated that some devices will get Android 12 and some devices will get Android 13, right? So let's go ahead and quickly have a look at that. So the devices that should get the update today in China is the Mi Mix 4, which will get MIUI 13, Mi 11 Ultra, Mi 11, Mi 11 Lite, Redmi K40 Pro and Redmi K40. That is the Mi 11X. So soon we will have a video on MIUI 13, Android 12 on our device as well. Apart from this, in the initial stage, that is the first batch, these are the devices. Now, it doesn't make any sense for me to go to each and every option. I will leave a link in the description and I will put these screenshots in our Telegram group, so you can go ahead and check if your device is going to get that or not. One good thing to note over here for our subscribers is Poco X3 Pro should be getting MIUI 13 with Android 12 in January and February. One sad thing to note is that in the second last or last batch is when K20 Pro, as you can see over here, will be getting MIUI 13. But this particular mark that you see over here, it means that you will get Android 11 with MIUI 13. The device is very capable of running Android 12. We've seen that with custom ROMs, but Xiaomi doesn't want to give it, so there's nothing much we can talk about. Now, apart from this, we do have 2 to 3 videos of MIUI 13 that have leaked, and we're going to talk about them now. Now, as you can see over here, they are coming up with something called as infinite scroll. Now, this is nothing new. It has been there on, LG devices in the past, wherein the home screen will keep looping. They are calling it infinite scroll. Another thing that they have claimed in one of the videos or that is leaked is the app sidebar, basically a smart toolbox, something like that. And then as you can see over here, the third video talks about smaller widgets. That means you will be able to, go ahead and utilize your full screen real estate in a much better manner. So if you ask me, MIUI 13 as a whole is sounding to be really promising. They are highly focusing on, performance and other things. Everything that was leaked about MIUI 13 is included in this particular video. Let me know what you think about MIUI 13. Are you excited or not? Until the next one, this is Kailash signing off at PhoneOps. Keep smiling. Take care. Goodbye.